Hello and welcome back to Putting Tech to the Test, brought to you by Sencommunications. I'm McKenna, and today you'll see we have 4 different models of the JPL Element headsets here, and I'm going to compare them all and show you the differences. We have the TT3-AVANT Mon Headband, the TT3-AVANT B USB, the TT3-AVANT B, and the Element BT500D. Okay, so first let's start with the TT3 Mon Headband. This is the one-ear design, and it's actually just the headband itself. And on all of these JPL Element headsets, you can switch out the ear cushions and the mics. That way, if just a part breaks or if you just want to refresh your equipment, you can do so without throwing away the whole thing. It also is really helpful if you like going between one ear and 2 ears for different circumstances, then you can have both options. This headset is designed to give you clear sound in one ear while leaving the other open, so it's great for multitasking, and it's really great for a professional look in the office or call centers. And next we have the TTB USB. This one is set up with a dual ear design and, as the name implies, a USB connection, but it also has a USB-C adapter connected to it. That way you can easily switch back and forth between devices. It also has inline controls, including volume up, volume down, and mute. There's also a light underneath the mute button to tell when you're muted or unmuted. The mic, you can feel it kind of softly clicks into place, so it doesn't move around if you're trying to leave it at an exact spot. And there is a slight bend in the microphone, so you can get that perfect 2 fingers between the mic and your mouth. This model gives you more immersive sound with the dual ear configuration, and like all of the other headsets, it still has noise cancellation with the microphone to make sure you're heard loud and clear on calls, and it's great if you need to block out distractions while you're focusing on work. Moving on, we have the TT3-AVANT B, which is going to be similar to the USB model with the dual ear design and also a bendable microphone. But this model, instead of the USB, features a QD cable. With the QD feature, it allows you to connect the headset to multiple devices using different adapters. So it's great if you work with both phones and computers and need to switch out devices throughout the day. It also has the same modular, swappable design as others, so you can upgrade or change parts as needed. Last but not least, we have the Element Bluetooth model. It is the Element BT500D, which is perfect for anyone on the move, whether you're traveling for work or just prefer to have some wireless freedom. It's lightweight and easy to carry with great sound quality and about 10 hours of talk time, so you can use it all day without recharging. The Bluetooth range is solid, so you can move around during calls and you can bring the adapters with you. You also get a USB-C and a USB-A dongle with this model, which I really like because it just adds to the versatility. Once again, with this model, you can swap out the ear cushions and the microphone as needed to keep it up to date. And there's also a button on the headset where you can answer or hang up calls, and a volume toggle on the earpiece where you can slide volume up or volume down. Okay, so just for convenience, I'm using the TT3-AVANT B USB model, which is the one that adapts from a USB-C to a USB-A, all in the same headset. It's the easiest to plug into my laptop. And I like this one for hybrid use. If I'm going home, then I know it's going to work with my Mac as well. So first, let's see how this headset sounds in a call center. So if I was in a call center and there was lots of background noise, this is what it would sound like in person. And this is what it would sound like on a Teams meeting if I was using this headset in a call center. Okay, now this is what it would sound like if my dogs were barking while I work from home. And this is what it would sound like on a Teams meeting if my dogs were barking while I was working. Okay, so now the overall differences of each of them. Obviously, if you want to hear your surroundings and you want something really lightweight, you're gonna wanna go with the single-eared model because you can still hear all of your surrounding noise. But if you want something a little more immersive and you want both ears, then that's when you'll want the Avant B, either USB or just the Avant B. If you're going to be using phones, then that's when I recommend getting the one with the QD option, because you can use it with phones and computers much easier. But if you know you're primarily using a laptop, or maybe you work from home and you want it to work with your work computer as well as your laptop you use from home, then that's when I think that the USB is the best option. If you like Bluetooth and you know you like to walk around or do things while you're on the phone, then that's when you're going to want to go with the Bluetooth option. Obviously, with the dongles, it still connects to a wide variety of devices, but it just is personal preference at the end of the day. So that wraps up our comparison of the Element by JPL line. Let me know down in the comments below which one fits your needs best, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out when we put more tech to the test. We'll see you next time. Bye.